So I just want to come in here and I want to thank you for tapping, clicking, choosing this video, taking the time out. I want to give you something that was given to me. So let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen. So this is make money while your baby sleeps. So you may not have babies anymore. Maybe they don't take naps like mine doesn't take naps, but you can do this while they're sleeping. You can do this while they're in your bedroom watching videos like mine is, or, in a few minutes, right? The point is that it's not going to take all day. It's not going to take all your time, and it's definitely not going to take all your money. All right. All right. So I discovered affiliate marketing. So one day, somebody told me about a service, told me about a service. When I found out about it, I signed up because I needed that service, right? Come to find out that they have an affiliate program. I shared it with someone just like it was shared with me. I made $130. I made $130 in a few minutes. Okay, so, if you get paid $10 to $13 a day, an hour, and you work 10 hours, and you're going to get $100 to $130. I did it in a few minutes. Check this out. I'm going to get paid month after month after month after month until that person cancels the service, and hopefully they don't. Right? So I love that idea that I'm going to get paid well for doing something so easily just by sharing it with other people. Okay? So that's why I created the Natpreneur Academy. So you could feel the same thing and you could do the same thing. Because you don't need no specialized education for this. So affiliate marketing, if you don't know what that is, all right, this is the official definition. You ready? Let me put my official voice on. I got a new microphone, y'all. I love my microphone. Okay, so affiliate marketing, it's a noun. A marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external source for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. You, my friends, are the source. Okay? You are the source. So they're going to pay commissions to you. They're going to give you money. Check it out. So big businesses, let's just take Amazon, even though they don't pay really good commissions at all that I know of. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay? So let's say it's Amazon needs customers, right? Natpreneurs, us, we need money, right? So we create a partnership. Bam. Then what happens? So what's the partnership? What is the contract? The contract is you share a product on Amazon. Somebody buys it, right? Amazon's happy. And then they pay you. You're happy. You got a few dollars in your pocket. Residual affiliate marketing, right? That's not Amazon. That's like Netflix. So Netflix says the same thing. We'll pay you when somebody you refer signs up, which they may have that program on Netflix. Need to check that out. All right. But the thing is that they're not going to pay you just one time. So you share the Netflix opportunity with someone. They subscribe. Now, most people are Netflix users for life, right? You're going to get paid, let's say 50%. Most of the time you get 30, 40, or 50%. So you get, let's say 50%, right? You pay $20, so you get $10 a month. You're going to get $10 a month, not just $10 the first time they pay. $10 a month, every month or every year that they pay, you're going to get whatever that is, 50%. So that's good. You get more diapers and more shoe money, and you're going to get paid every month. That's what I like. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm sharing with you guys. All right. Getting paid every month, right? So share it with 10 people, share it with 5, whatever your financial goals are. Share with 100, make a YouTube channel like I did, right? Hopefully you make more money. Okay. But share it. Some people are going to sign up, and now you're going to get a steady flow of money. Then there's another thing called high ticket affiliate marketing. This is the opposite of Amazon, right? They're low ticket. This is, unless it's whatever Amazon, I don't know. There are some things that Amazon is obviously going to pay you more for, but I don't know about it. I mean, there's a lot of expensive things on Amazon, but this is talking about, is that noise? This is talking about just high ticket. Like, you're not going to make less than hundreds of dollars, okay? Hundreds. So that means that you might share the link one time, and that one time that person um, uses the service or product, you're going to get hundreds, thousands, or hundreds of thousands of dollars deposited into your account. And you're not going to have invested in anything. I'm just going to let you know, this high ticket affiliate marketing thing that I'm talking about, you're not going to have to pay to get started. You're not going to have to buy the product. Okay. But you are going to have to put in time. Usually, if it's not a lot of money that you have to put into it, you're going to have to put more time into it. I'm just going to be honest with you. So how much, I was just talking about this, how much time will you take and how much money will it cost? So the time is going to be a few minutes to a few hours. It really depends on your network. Your network is your net worth. So if you have an affluent network, right, that need these products and services, then you may not have to spend hours and hours to get that network. But if you don't have the network, you're going to have to either spend money or time to get that network, right? So how are you going to get started? You're going to sign up, right? Check the links in the description. You're going to sign up. You're going to pick an affiliate program. Once you start sharing it, people will start applying or signing up, and then they'll either get approved or they will be subscribed, whatever it is. And once that happens, then you are going to start getting paid. Woo! You're going to get cash bonuses. You're going to get commissions. You're going to get thank yous. You're going to get some money. It's going to be awesome. This whole point is for you to make extra money, for you to be able to make it in a short amount of time so that you can have more quality time with your family. Text me the word NAP, NAP. Text the word NAP. The number is in the description below, and I'm going to put it across the screen. Text the word NAP, and you will get started. That's how easy it's going to be. All right, peace.